inside that trunk.
I'ma get you drunk, get you low, drunk off this tongue.
What you gonna do with all that breasts inside that shirt?
I'ma make you work, make you work, make you work.
Yeah, no mama, you looking good. See you wanna play with a player from the hood. Come holler at me, you got it like that. Big Snoop Dogg with the lead pussycat. I show you how I go that. Yeah, I wanna go that. Me and you one-on-one, treat it like a show that. You look at me and I look at you. I'm reaching for your shirt, what you want me to do?